Show you guys a little sneak peek here. Creeping through the door, looking. They're just finishing it up, so we're gonna pull it out in the sunlight, see how it looks. But there's a sneak peek. Alright, let's hold up.
Big time, no man, diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. I'm big time, lot of slime. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. It's a little loud right here. There's actually a freeway road right behind, or right in front of me. But yeah, you guys, welcome back. Got another video. What we're gonna do today is, let me show you. Right there, Capital Tint, and we are getting the WRX, the VB WRX, fully ceramic carbon hybrid tinted. So obviously it's gonna look a whole lot different. It's really gonna bring out the look of the car. It's gonna protect me from the sun, others who ride in the vehicle from the sun rays, you know, from AZ. So this is what it looks like right now. And you know, it's going to be a real simple video, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in the end. Maybe we'll talk about some things coming up for the car, you know, some modifications that I have on order, etc. But look, before we start, if you guys could please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love, major blessings to everybody. Let's get this video started. Here we go.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, we are out here in the sunlight, and we're at, here's Capital Tint's information. You can call them right there. There's their details, hours of operation. Super dope people. But okay, let me turn it around. Here we go. All right, before I show you guys, I just want you to know this is a carbon ceramic deal. I did do 15% all the way around, so with that all being said, it is going to be a little bit darker than the legal limit, so keep that in mind. But the way I came up with it in my mind is that the 15%, everything is uniform, bro. Like, it's literally, it looks fire. You guys gotta see this. And yeah, without further ado, let's show y'all. Directly in the sunlight, right there. I think it looks super dope, uniformed. You can still see the light coming in, which is what I wanted, because at night I do have bad eyes at night, you guys, and honestly I gotta be able to see out my back window and the front window and obviously the side window. So it is darker for sure in the front. It definitely looks darker. It depends how the light is actually hitting it. But I also got the visor strip, as you guys can see right there. So they matched it to up there in the corner. It's hard to see right now, but you can see the strip, and that will definitely help with AZ sun rays. But it looks so fire in silver. Look at this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Did Capital Tint do a great job? Leave them a good review. It was really good, honestly, really good deal. $420, bro, for the entire car, ceramic hybrid tint. So yeah, this is basically one of the best you can get. There's actually one more grade up that blocks 96% of the sun rays. So this is at 88%, 86, 88%, obviously depending on the sun. But look at it. In the summer, obviously I imagine it's going to be 86, probably in winter around 86% or 88%. So look at that. Fire, y'all. Fire. I love it. I'm glad I didn't go darker, to be honest with you, because this is dark enough, bro. Like, see, you could still see inside a bit. But yeah. All right. Let me know what you guys think. Put your opinion down in the comments. I greatly appreciate it. So today is another day, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like in the garage. It is 112 out, 113 out right now on AZ, so I'm really not wanting to go in the sun. I mean, bro, this is hot. Anyways, this is what it looks like after 3 days of curing. Just wanted to show you that it's all dry now, ready to go. You know, show you the inside here. Right. Look how dark it is in here, yo. It's crazy. So that's what it looks like in the front, in the back. So yeah, see, even in the garage, the sun still comes in a little bit, which is what I wanted. I don't want it to be like fully dark, you know, because then it's just asking for trouble with the cops. I still want to be able to see inside. Let's try it again. You can see me, but yeah, see, you can still see inside. So that's why I went this route. But here's the back. Okay. Look at the difference with the Type R. This is also ceramic tint, but this is at 25%. So 15, 25, 15, 25. Feels beautiful to do that. Two beautiful cars in the garage. Alright, but let me set this camera up and then we'll go over some of the modifications that I have coming up for the VB WRX. Don't go anywhere. One. Alright, y'all. Got my phone here and I have all the orders actually pulled up, which is it's some. So let's go over them. The first order is from Import Image Racing. It is the Noble carbon fiber steering wheel. Not steering wheel, but steering wheel trim overlays. So if you guys can see that right there. Okay, that's on the way. Alright, that's going to be here August 9th, it says. Then I'm literally going just in order how the orders were placed. So, alright, the next one is forged closed end lug nuts neochrome. You guys can see that right there. You know what, let me turn the brightness up. Alright, it's hard to see on the camera, but right there. Okay, forged, right there, forged neochrome, and they're from Aeroflow Dynamics. So those are on the way. Next we got up Noble dry carbon fiber mirror caps, bro. These are fire. Like, honestly, straight up, these are literally beautiful. Look at them, y'all. Yeah, those are on order. Then I got the carbon fiber 3D black with blue emblems. Obviously doesn't show blue there, but yep, got those. Okay, let's move a little quicker here. This is a big one. Okay, I'm not going to show you guys what they look like because that's a surprise, but I already did order brand new wheels. I can give you the specs: 18 by 9.5 with a plus 44 offset. So obviously that's what those lug nuts are there for, the forged lug nuts. And then next we have another surprise. I'm not going to show you, but it is from Build It Works, so use your imagination. What could that be? The next one, I will show you guys this because it's coming up on a real quick video probably next week, because it's going to be here August 8th, and that's the Cusco front strut brace. Alright, then a big one, and I am not going to tell you the brand, But what I will tell you is it is a full 3-inch catback exhaust, no mufflers. It is custom made to my liking, my order. It's gonna have burnt tips. It is stainless steel. Just wait, y'all. It's a really good one, trust me. I think you're really gonna love it. The next one is from Import Image Racing. Again, we're going with Noble VB Black top mount OE intercooler guard. Okay, with the WRX logo in red. Next is Noble. Okay, a lot of Noble stuff here. Rain guards. Very simple design, but they're smoked just like the Type R, which is over to my left. Let me give you guys a closer look. There you go. Okay. And the last thing we have on this list is the SubiFlow carbon fiber e-brake handle. Right there. So, yes. I already have the actual carbon fiber shift knob from SubiFlow installed. I'm going to show you guys that real quick. And once I show you that, that will be the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, smash that thumbs up button for me. It greatly helps out the channel. I love you guys. I appreciate all your support. Appreciate the new subscribers. Appreciate the comments. Appreciate the messages. Appreciate the follows on IG. Skylyfe Projects 86 for anybody who doesn't know. You guys, stay tuned. We got more videos jam-packed coming up for the WRX. Obviously, the Type R is going to be put on hold right now with the MHI Stage 2 turbo build because I really want to build this all-wheel drive platform, symmetrical all-wheel drive platform to its fullest. And honestly, I am really enjoying this car. Not everybody likes the VB. It's maybe not their favorite, but guess what? I love it. I'm glad I got the limited edition one, so you never know, this could be worth some money. Maybe in a couple years, 3 years, if they stop making limiteds, maybe the value will go up. You don't know. Subaru holds the value anyways. But all right, y'all, enough talking. Let me show you the clip of the new shift knob. And all right, I'll see you guys on the next video. Skylyfe Projects. Never give up. Don't hesitate for a damn thing. Live life to your fullest the way you want to live. Don't let anybody else tell you how to live your life. This is Skylyfe. Let's go.